ला नॉलेज फॉर ऑल में अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अॼु पाण सिविल जज ऐं जुडिशल मैजिस्ट्रेट 2017 जे टेस्ट जो पार्ट 3 क्वेश्चन्स सॉल्व कंदासीं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 आहे, इशूज़ आर टू बी फ्रेम्ड बाय डैश। ऑप्शन ए कोर्ट, ऑप्शन बी एडवोकेट्स, ऑप्शन सी रीडर, ऑप्शन डी ऑल टुगेदर। इट्स करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए कोर्ट हैज़ टू फ्रेम issues under order 14 rule 1 CPC। Question number 13, witnesses may refresh memory under Article 19 Qanun Shahadat Order 1984, B Article 21 Qanun Shahadat Order 1984, C Article 129 Qanun Shahadat Order 1984, D Article 155 Qanun Shahadat Order 1984। Its correct answer is option D Article 155 Qanun Shahadat Order 1984। Question number 31, burden of proof is upon that person who, option A submits, option B asserts, option C applies, option D denies। Its correct answer is option B asserts। The burden of proof lies upon the person who asserts according to Article 117 of Qanun Shahadat Order 1984। Question number 32, under Article 85 of Qanun Shahadat Order, what kinds of documents are provided? Option A private, option B public, option C primary, option D secondary। Its correct answer is option B, public documents are provided under Article 85 of Qanun Shahadat Order 1984। Question number 33, a photocopy of original postmortem report is, option A primary evidence, option B secondary evidence, option C documentary evidence, option D oral evidence। Photocopy is always treated as the evidence, as a secondary evidence as provided by Article 74. Therefore its correct answer is option B secondary evidence। Question number 34, a previous good character in criminal cases is always, option A relevant, option B irrelevant, option C applicable, option D non-applicable। Its correct answer is the criminal character in criminal cases is always relevant as provided by Article 67 of Qanun Shahadat Order 1984। Therefore its correct answer would be option A। 35, the word person includes any company or association or body of persons, whether incorporated or not, is defined under section 11 of Civil Procedure Code, Criminal Procedure Code, C Pakistan Penal Code, D Qanun Shahadat Order 1984। Its correct answer is Pakistan Penal Code, option C। Question number 36, number of punishments as provided under section 53 PPC is, option A 3, option B 5, option C 7, option D 10। under section 53 PPC. Total number of punishments has been defined, has been mentioned, has been provided as 10. Therefore, option D is correct option. 37 section 299 D PPC provides for option A daman, option B arsh, option C diyat, option D all the above. Its correct answer is option A daman. Question number 38. Suit in family court for custody of minor is to be instituted where dash ordinary resides. Option A minor, option B mother of minor, option C father of minor, option D all together. Its correct answer is option A where minor resides. The suit shall be filed before the family court within whose premises such minor is residing as provided by section 9 of Guardian and Wards Act. Question number 39. A family court for suit under Guardian and Wards Act is to be treated as option A civil court, option B family court, option C district court, option D high court. Its correct answer is option C district court as provided by section 25 West Pakistan Family Courts Act 1964. Question number 40. Time of appeal in family suit is dash. Option A 15 days, option B 30 days, option C 45 days, option D 60 days. Its correct answer is option B 30 days. In family appeals, the period of limitation has been provided as 30 days for preferring appeal against the order or judgment. Question number 41. Death sentence is to be confirmed by the option A Sessions Court, option B High Court, option C Supreme Court, option D all these courts. Its correct answer is option B High Court as provided by section 374 CRPC that the reference should be made by the Court of Sessions for confirmation of death sentence to the Honorable High Court. Question number 42. Any police officer making investigation may examine any person supposed to be acquainted with the facts and circumstances of the case under section option A 161 CRPC, option B 162 CRPC, option C 163 CRPC and option D 164 CRPC. Its correct answer is option A 161 CRPC. Question number 43. A judge may put any question from any person in order to discover or obtain proper proof of relevant facts in any form and at any time under option A Article 161 Kanun Shahadat Order 1984, option B Article 162 Kanun Shahadat Order 1984, option C Article 163 Kanun Shahadat Order 1984 or option D Article 164 Kanun Shahadat Order 1984. Its correct answer is option A Article 161 Kanun Shahadat Order 1984. Question number 44. Suits in which dispute is between defendants only is called counter suit, cross suit, set of claim, interpleader suit. Its correct answer is option D interpleader suit. Question as provided by section 88 Civil Procedure Code. प्लेंट इंटरप्रीटर सूट जी जीअं 7 रूल 1 जी प्लेंट हूंदी आहे उन ई फॉर्मेट में ठहंदी, पर उन में कुझु पर्टिकुलर्स ऐड करणा हूंदा आहिनि जेके आर्डर 35 रूल 1 सिविल प्रोसीजर कोड में ॾिनल आहिनि. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45. Every suit is to be instituted in the court of lowest jurisdiction is provided under section option A section 15 CPC, option B section 16 CPC, option C section 20 CPC, option D section 22 CPC. Its correct answer is option A section 15 CPC provides that every suit should be filed before the court of civil judge having lowest jurisdiction. Question number 46. The term criminal court is defined under option A Criminal Procedure Code, option B Pakistan Penal Code, option C Kanun-e Shahadat Order 1984, option D General Clauses Act. Criminal Procedure Code has been defined under section 6 Criminal Procedure Code. Therefore, its correct answer is option A Criminal Procedure Code. Question number 47. Execution of civil suit is made under option A Order 21 CPC, option B Order 22 CPC, option C Order 47 CPC, option D Order 50 CPC. Its correct answer is option A Order 21 Civil Procedure Code, in which procedure of execution has completely been provided. Question number 48. Qisas and Diyat Ordinance is an act of 1980, option B 1985, option C 1988, option D 1990. Its correct answer is option D. It is the act of year 1990. Question number 49. Appeal against decree of family court will lie under section 14 of option A West Pakistan Family Courts Act 1964, option B Guardian and Wards Act, option C Muslim Family Laws Ordinance 1961, option D all the law together. Its correct answer is option A West Pakistan Family Courts Act 1964. Question number 50. All the suits of civil nature are to be instituted in the court of civil jurisdiction. This definition is contained in Civil Procedure Code wide. Option A section 9, option B section 12, option C section 15, option D section 18. Its correct answer is option C section 15. 2017 वारी टेस्ट जा 50 सुवाल जेकी लॉ सां रिलेटेड हुया उहे मां तव्हांखे करेक्ट आंसर सां गॾु एक्सप्लेन करे ॿुधाया. हाणे इनशाला जेके उन खां पहिरीं वारियूं टेस्टूं थियूं आहिनि जेके NTS वरितियूं आहिनि उन्हनि जा क्वेश्चन्स तरतीबवार हिकु हिकु क्वेश्चन पेपर खणी करे मां तव्हांखे सम्झाईंदुसि. इनशाला नेक्स्ट वीडियो में वरी मिलंदासीं. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.